You don't need any special jewelry findings to make these Scrabble tile pendants. You can personalize it any way you want, and they're a lot of fun to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you'll need a Scrabble tile, paper image, Mod Podge, paintbrush, thin ribbon, scissors, and small rhinestone. Cut your paper to fit the Scrabble tile. Then trim the edges so that the whole thing is just slightly smaller than the tile itself. Paint a coat of Mod Podge onto the back side of the Scrabble tile. Center the image on the tile. And then paint another coat of Mod Podge over the top, being sure to get the edges. If you want to add a small rhinestone to your tile, just put a little blob of Mod Podge in the place that you want it and set the rhinestone in. Take a piece of ribbon about 6 inches long and tie a simple knot at the top so that you have a small loop sticking out at the very top, and this is where you can run your cord or necklace chain through. Now you're going to glue the ribbon all the way around the Scrabble tile with that little loop centered in the middle. You can use Mod Podge for this if your ribbon is thin and lightweight, or if you have a heavier cord, you can use a strong craft glue or even a hot glue gun. But for my ribbon here, the Mod Podge will work just fine. So I'm going to set the knot down, the loop down right in the middle, and make sure that the ribbon runs right down the middle of the edge of the tile. Just make sure it's on there tightly, and do this all the way around the edges of the tile. So I'm going to cut each end of the ribbon right in the middle where the ribbon will meet at the bottom of the tile. And do the same thing for the other side. Once all the Mod Podge is dry, you're finished and your tile is ready to wear. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.